Welcome to AppJunkie. AppJunkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be how to find your Spotify Wrapped 2022. Quick and simple. Are you curious to see what your most listened to songs and artists were in 2022? Well, you're in luck because it's time for Spotify Wrapped. In this video, we'll show you how to find and access your Spotify Wrapped for 2022 and share some of your own Wrapped highlights. So let's get started. To find your Spotify Wrapped for 2022, you'll first need to make sure you have the latest version of the Spotify app. The app is available for free download from the App Store or Google Play if you don't already have it. Once you have the app, just follow these steps. Launch the Spotify app on your tablet or smartphone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Home symbol. Scroll down and look for the banner that reads Spotify Wrapped 2022. It might be located under the Your Library or Made for You categories. Tap on the banner to view your Wrapped. If you don't see the Wrapped banner, it's possible that the feature hasn't been released yet, or that it's not available in your region. Keep checking back, as Spotify usually releases Wrapped in the first week of December. That's it. You now know where to look for your Spotify Wrapped for 2022. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to find your Spotify Wrapped for 2022. Whether you're a die-hard music fan or just curious to see what songs and artists you've been listening to, Wrapped is a fun and easy way to take a look back at your year in music. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more music and tech tutorials. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.